Hi, I'm Andrew McNeese, and this is TMI, where the goal is to fill your mind with so much information it explodes. With all the social distancing, it's impossible to get a professional haircut. But hey, it's just hair. How hard can it be to cut it yourself? Well, we're going to find out right now. Contrary to popular opinion, I am not bald. There is actually hair there, albeit thin and more akin to fuzz. Be that as it may, I have to ask myself, how hard really is it to give myself a military inspection cut? In theory, it should be pretty simple. Step 1, shave everything below a predetermined line. Step 2, use a predetermined guide for the rest. In my case, a number 4. And step 3, use an angled guide for the juncture between the shaved portion and the rest. How hard can it really be? Well, let's find out. Houston, we have a problem. I don't have an angled guide. Guess we'll have to improvise on that part. For this to work, I'm going to have to use mirrors. Hopefully, no smoke. Wow. There is a lot of hair here for somebody who doesn't have much hair. But I have proved one thing. You can do your own, do-it-yourself, military-style cut. Or at least something very close to one.